Alright guys, it's doing a little bit of raining here. Let's go sneak off to the old fishing spot. It's a nice little piece of property. Not a whole lot of people know about it, and it's just right down the road from my house. I have fallen in there. Fell in there just a couple days ago. Slipped right off of this, so we're gonna go on this side. But yeah, there's a gentleman all the way down there. This is it. I like to throw right there. I typically get a good first bite ratio. So we're gonna cut this phone off and we'll put my watermelon red on there and see what we can get. We fishing this right here. I don't got no watermelon reds. I got whatever the hell this is. I think it's a green pumpkin or something like that. I like to fish them weightless here. It's just really not that deep. It's about 5 to 6 foot where I'm throwing out at. Saw a video on TikTok. Hook the worms in the side like this. And since I've been doing that right there, I've been getting way better hookup ratio. I'll probably sit here and lose one right in front of y'all because I said something. Got the camera where y'all can see me. There we go, we zoomed it out, so. A little windy today. Be a little slow because it did rain here, but I don't think it rained too much. I think I got one. I didn't. When I left my house, it was feeling a little cooler, but sun's poking out over here. I can already tell this is how this videotaping stuff's gonna go. Get out here and start recording and not catch shit. Uh-oh, I think I got a bite. Yep, got one. And if I don't knock y'all over, I got one. There we go. We're gonna bring them right in. My first time doing this recording stuff, so. He ain't wanting to give up too easy, but he's gonna have to. Hooked him right in that bottom lip. He's a little dink. Good little guy. We'll give him a kiss. Send him on back. We'll send him on back. Good little fish right there, guys. There he goes. Swam off just fine. And yeah, first fish of the day. That feels good. It's always a good feeling. Let's see if we can't get us some more. Alright guys, we tied that same color worm back on. Really don't know how to have this camera, whether it behind me looks good or what. But let's see if we can't cast out and get us another one. That was pretty quick. That was first 5 minutes of me being here. I got another one here. There it is. Oh, this one's nice. Much nicer. Need to get him out of the... Got me wrapped up. There he goes, there he goes. Come on, get out of them trees. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much nicer fish. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Dang, the teeth are sharp on this guy. He took me straight. I thought I was hung for a second. You saw me pause there. He took me under that tree. And I thought I was hung up on the tree because I've been known to think I'm on a fish and I'm on a tree. Joker tried to get away from me. Let's get him washed out. There you go. He's a pretty nice fish. Got him hooked right there in the side of the mouth. Give him a kiss. We'll see y'all later. Let's see. Let's put him back. Good old fish. Man, it's a beautiful day out here. Got a little mud on him. There he goes right there. He swam off just fine. Well, today's going pretty good so far. Let's see if we can't catch us another one. Alright, we're going to try to cast back out. I got a question for y'all. I know a lot of people take it as soon as their worm comes off, they're done. I am the type of guy that will use that worm. I've tore the top of it off where it ripped through the first time. I will use that worm until it is just absolutely tore up. I know some guys don't do that, but I'm one of them. I want to know what y'all do. If y'all throw them out or keep fishing them till they're tore all the way up. Well, I got that last one. See if we can get lucky again. Seems like they're biting today. There's a whole lot of trees right here, and that's what I was nervous about. He completely stopped under that tree. I thought I was on the tree. Got me one. Let me keep him out of this. Alright guys, we're going to try this old whopper plopper. I love a top water, and I especially love the whopper plopper. This pond is not very promising when it comes to these whopper ploppers or top water in general. But since the sun's going down, it looks like she's about to storm. Let's try it out. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Look at what I just found. Little turtle shell. Obviously the turtle's missing out of it. Pretty cool patterns. My wife will love this. It will be going in my pocket on the way home. Good thing I didn't catch anything because I wasn't recording. Anyway, it's getting dark. We ain't had much luck since we got here. Well, I just take that back. We've had luck first 30 minutes we got here. Ever since then we hadn't caught nothing. Had one bite. He ran me up under a tree, which it is what it is. It happens. We're walking on down. Alright guys, we definitely ran out of luck here today. We caught two fish within the first 30-45 minutes. I have been here for, let's see, been here for, I don't know, 2.5 to 3 hours. But that's just how it goes. The storm is coming in, clouds are coming, raindrops are dropping, wind's starting to pick up. I'll give y'all one last view of where I'm at. Great little spot. See if we can't get a lightning strike. Anyways, I ain't got time for that. First video, y'all have a good one. And we'll see y'all out here next time. Thanks, bye.